Tassot de Cabrit, Haitian fried goat. Ingredients: 3 pounds goat meat, cubed. ½ cup sour orange juice. 1/4 cup lime juice. 1 teaspoon hot pepper, Habanero preferably. 1 tablespoon salt. 1 bouquet garni, thyme and parsley. 1 tablespoon parsley, chopped. 2 shallots, chopped finely. 4 cups water. 2 cups oil, if frying only. Instructions: clean the meat and marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight with sour orange juice, lime juice, hot pepper and salt. Add meat to a pot and let boil first without adding any water. When the water starts to decrease, add 1 cup of water with bouquet garni, and add more water when necessary. More water may be needed for meat to be very tender. Remove meat from cooking liquid and set aside. Do not throw away cooking liquid. Heat oil and fry pieces. Do not overcrowd the pan when frying. Serve with a sauce prepared with 1 cup of cooking liquid, with chopped parsley, shallots and additional chopped hot pepper. Serve hot. If roasting in the oven, place pieces into a baking dish and roast until meat is golden brown. May take about 20 to 25 minutes. Drizzle meat with a little oil and fresh lemon juice prior to roasting. If roasting on a fire grill, drizzle with oil first.